Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a video review about this Chinese-made AliExpress Fender Stratocaster. It's supposed to be all mahogany, body and neck. It's really beautifully made. I don't know if you can see with the light, but it says Fender here as well. From when I got it out of the box, the neck and the body were pretty badly attached. I'll add some pictures. So I had to take it to my local music store and had it set up by a professional, had the strings and the intonation and all that set up, and added an extra string because the springs they use are pretty shitty. Other than that, other than the setup, it's pretty much just right out of the box what they sent to me. So let's check out how this thing sounds. I'm playing through a Fender Mustang, trying to go through a twin reverb kind of sounding thing. So let's check it out. Start with the bridge pickup. Both pickups. Middle. The neck. The tuners are actually quite decent. It stays pretty decently in tune. And the neck feels pretty decent. It's probably, if you've tried an expensive Fender, real Fender, those feel a lot more comfortable just to move around. With this, I feel more comfortable with the rhythm, but not so much when it comes to the lead. I don't know why, I feel like I get stuck. actually no buzzing in the frets or anything like that, so the neck is actually pretty well made. And yeah, time to add some more gain. By the way, I'm just recording through my Samsung Galaxy. I don't know how well the microphone is, but that's what you're listening to, so. Bridge pickup. Leave your ideas, your thoughts, your comments in the section below. Let me know what you think. In my opinion though, for what you're paying for these guitars, they're not half bad. Obviously if you have the money, you will get a better quality instrument from actual real Fender. But if you're looking at AliExpress, probably because you're broke, and you will get a decent guitar for that money. I bought this for the looks, and my plan is to make it my project and just upgrade it all. New pickups, new electronics, maybe try to come up with some mods, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope this helps you decide whether to buy one or not. Enjoy.